In this video, we'll walk through the Easy Digital Downloads Setup Wizard. Once you've installed and activated the plugin, the wizard helps you configure your store's essentials in 5 guided steps: your business details, payments, emails, some recommended tools, and your first product. You'll get it all set up in one convenient, guided flow. Upon first activating EDD, the wizard is ready to go. Click the green Get Started button under the Downloads Setup tab to launch it. If you exited early, you can restart anytime from Downloads, then Tools, then restart the Setup Wizard. The wizard opens by asking about your business. This tells EDD where you're located, so it can set up your checkout and receipt templates correctly. Fill in your business name, business type, and address. Then set your store's currency and its position. Click Save and Continue when you're done. Next, connect a way to get paid. The wizard walks you through connecting Stripe, which lets customers pay with major cards and digital wallets. Click Connect with Stripe and follow the prompts. You can also skip this step and add a gateway later, from Downloads, then Settings, then Payments. The email step sets up the purchase receipt your customers get after they buy. You can upload a logo to display at the top of your receipt emails and set your from name and email. If you leave the fields empty, they'll default to your site title and admin email. You can also customize your receipt message. Use the insert tag buttons to add dynamic content like the customer's name and their download list. These fill in automatically for every order. When you're done, click Save and Continue. The Tools step shows the recommended tools and features to help boost conversions and optimize your store. Essential e-commerce features are already included and active, so that one stays checked. From there, choose whether to add WP Mail SMTP for reliable email delivery, Monster Insights for analytics, all-in-one SEO for traffic optimization, and Opt-in Monster to turn visitors into subscribers and customers, each one optional. Whatever you leave checked gets installed and activated when you continue. Finally, you can create your first product right inside the Setup Wizard. Give it a product name, then click Set Image to add a featured image. Choose single price for one fixed price or variable price to offer multiple options. Then enter the amount. Toggle on Add your first file to upload the file your customers will download after they buy. Click Save and Continue to create your first download. You can always refine it or add more products later from the download screen. And that's it. Your store's foundation is in place. Next up, we'll go deeper on creating your products so you can get your whole catalog ready to sell. Find the full video and written guide along with every other step at easydigitaldownloads.com/start.